Hey guys, this is homework help for problems 6 through 10 on the place value practice test. Let's take a look at number 6. It says, how many times greater is the value of 5 in 754 than the value of 5 in 745? So let's take a look at these two numbers. We have 754 and the other number 745. And it's asking, how much greater is this 5 in 754 than in this 5? Well, we first have to know the value and what place. So this 5 is in the tens, so the value of this 5 is 50. The value of this 5 is in the ones, or it's 5. So we can see, so it says how many times greater. So what times 5? What times 5 would equal 50? Okay. Well, of course, if you know your multiplication, you know that this would have to be 10, because 10 times 5 are 50. Or knowing our place value, you know that the tens place is one place to the left of the ones. They both have 5s, and we know that the place directly to the left is 10 times greater than its counterpart to the right. So tens are 10 times greater than ones. All right, let's take a look at number 7. So the Smithsonian Museum had 835,296 visitors last month. What is the word form for that number? Well, again, we have to think about, we're asking the word form, and of course that's kind of straightforward. We're going to be writing words for it. We see numbers here for it, so we would write it just like we say it. So we'll break it down in sections. Here we have this section, which is the thousands. So we read this number, 835, and it's in the thousands, so we say 835,000. And then the next section here, which is the units or ones, which is 296. So let's go find the one that says 835,000. Okay, that's not A. That says 83,000. B says 835,000. So far so good. Then the second part of that, 296. So we just found this. The word form is selection B. Number 8. What is the expanded form of 14,573? So if we write that number down, 14,573. Again, expanded form is listing by place value. All right? We want to show the value of each digit. So we want to show the value for each digit. And that's important, for each digit. Not two digits together, for each one. So let's take them one by one. Let's do the 3. The 3 is in the ones, so the value of that is 3. The 7 is in the tens place, so 7 tens would be 70. The 5 is in the hundreds place, so this would be 500. The digit in the thousands place is the 4, so 4 1,000s would equal 4,000. And last but not least, the digit in the 10,000s is 1, so 1 10,000 is 10,000. Okay, and we don't want to forget that we are joining these all together, which would equal this amount. So the correct answer, the expanded form for 14,573 is 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 3, which is answer choice B. All right, number 9. Which number is 4,305 written in standard form? Again, the clue is look for the comma and the section. So we hear there are 4 thousands, okay, and we know that comma separates the thousands from the one section or period. And then what is in our ones section would be 305. Okay. One way to check is to read the number after you've written it. So I'm going to read this number, 4,305. And in the problem, it says 4,305, so that is good. Okay. Number 10, how does the value of the 8 in 589,310 compare to the value of the 8 in 598,301? So we're going to need to extend the page a little bit here. So if we write these amounts down, we're comparing again 589,310, and we're comparing it to 598,000, 301. So here we see that the 8 here is in what place? The 10,000s place. So this value of this is 80,000. Here, the 8 is in the thousands place, so this is worth 8,000. Now, how does that help us compare them? We want to know how many times. So again, this 8, which is in the 10,000s place, is one place to the left of the 8 here, which is in the thousands. And we know that the digit, or excuse me, the place value to the left is always 10 times larger. So, and this is directly to the left, this is in the thousands, this is in the 10,000s. Or as we can see, if we multiply 8,000 by 10, we would equal 80,000. All right, that was help for 6 through 10. Good luck. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them in class tomorrow.